Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty and I'm back for a warm fall eyeshadow tutorial. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to check out the best of Lisshaaleah Beauty playlist so you can get caught up on any old videos that you missed. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Now let's get into the products that we're going to use today. So the products that we're going to use today are Morphe. My two Morphe products, which is Oh Boy 25D. You guys know I use this a lot. Love it. And Boss Mode 35M. The perfect fall palettes. If you're looking for fall palettes, Morphe has got you, okay? We're going to be dipping into these two palettes, going for an orangey brown look today. And let's get to this. Before we get to it, eyebrows are done, foundation's done. We're going to put on the base on my eyelid. If you want to know where I get my brows done, how I do my foundation, hit up my brow tutorial, hit up the full face tutorial so you can get all the info that you need. Now, let's get into this eyeshadow look. And that's it, folks. If you missed out on any info or what products I used, hit my description below. It will give you all the deets, all the info, plus the little extra that you need. Now, Lisshaaleah Beauty, out.